focus then, and let's get started with all the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. On the research side, we have Rabinder, and on the technical side, we have Ajit Mishra, SVP Research at Religare Broking, now joining us. Thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. But the first stock that we picked for today is...
Alright, that's T-Tara Rail in focus today. But coming to you, Ajit, you figured BHEL for us. Tell us what do you see on the chart? This counter is trading with gains of almost 3% today. Tell us, in the last 1 month, this has been very, very flat in a consolidated phase. But from here on, how do you see this moving?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. So yes, we are seeing that with the overall tone being positive, certain stocks like BHEL, they are buzzing in the trade. So as you rightly mentioned, that the stock was witnessing a bit of a correction from almost a month now, after a very strong directional move. So it was just a breather that usually we see after a stock or any underlying witness a strong directional move. So we have seen a breakout with decisive trend reversal above the short-term averages. So all indications are in the favor that this consolidation has ended, and now the stock is set to resume its overall positive tone. So with 252 as a stop loss, we believe that 275 to 280 is something that the stock might test in the near future.
Alright, so that's the word coming in.
So the stock is down 6% on the back of that, but let's shift focus to several other stocks that are in focus. Dr. Reddy's Labs. Tell us, Ajit, why have you picked up this stock for us?
Right, so Ashisha, what we are seeing that within the pharma space, selective stocks like Divis, Dr. Reddy's, they've been holding strong. Means on every dip, we are seeing some buying interest emerging. And for Dr. Reddy's, after retesting its short-term averages, we've seen a couple of days of consolidation followed by decisive rebound today's session. So this indicates a possibility of further uptick towards the previous swing high close from 1400, 1420. So here I see, since the markets are still volatile, it's prudent to maintain few defenses also in your trading portfolio. So 1300 as a stop loss is something that one can maintain, and 1400, 1420 is something that can be considered as a target zone for Dr. Reddy's.
Alright, with that, gains of 6%. But coming to you, Ajit, HUL is what you picked out for us. Ajit, this counter hasn't really done much. In the last 6 months, it has been it has given very flat moves, if you will. It's in a consolidation from here. What do you see on the chart for HUL?
So right, Ankita. So in the market like this, wherein we are seeing that volatility is still high, and FMCG as a pack, alongside with select names in the IT, is something which is still struggling to make any meaningful attempt of recovery. So for HUL also, there were multiple attempts to reclaim its major averages around 200 EMAs in the last 1 month, but it failed miserably, and now we have seen a fresh shorting pivot formation on the daily chart as well. So we believe that possibly in case if the market offers you any shorting opportunity, then HUL Lupin is some of the candidates where one can look to go short. And for HUL specifically, 2350 is now very strong resistance zone. Until we break that, I doubt that we can see any meaningful recovery. On the downside, 2150, 2100 is something the stock might test gradually.
That's the view coming in on